Back to another video. Today we're going to be playing the Titanic First Cabin's Flood. As we're playing this game, I want to express some concerns that I have for this new YouTube channel, and maybe things that have happened in the past, and I've been wondering about stuff like, what would happen if phone storage got full? You know what I'm saying? Like, what would I do? Money's been, nah, never mind. Let's just play this game. Y'all don't worry about me. Anyways, back to the video. Yeah. What the frick? Is this what it looked like? I think I remember this happening in the movie. But instead of it being like normal water, I remembered it was like red and stuff. But I might be tripping, I forgot. It's been a while since I've seen it. Bro, why can't I go through the door? Bruh. Wait, did also Coolboy 80C, did he record some videos on here? He might have, I don't know. What is that? Oh. Can we go through this door? I don't think we can. What is that? Oh. Bro, but imagine being the people, like, on the boat during this time. Like in real life, like in the actual, Titanic. Good gosh. R.I.P. to everybody that died that day, bro. Wait, was there more to this map? Oh no, there's just only like 6 rooms. Is there something over here? Nah. Can we get into these rooms? Huh. Alright. This room. Ow, I can't get out. Why does the ground look like meat? Bro, come on. Also, right now, I can't make any posts on my community because I think I have to get 50 subs in order to do that, or something like that. I forgot. What the freak? Alright. Wait, I think there's some air in this room. Now that I think about it. Come on. There we go. Yeah, there's some air right here. What would y'all do during the Titanic situation, bro? I genuinely wouldn't know what I would do. Hey, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And until then, God bless y'all.